What's for dinner in your house tonight? Well, tonight at our house, we have a lamb shepherd's pie. I'm going to run you through the recipe super quick. Not even going to show you the cooking because it's so simple. But started with some grass-fed lamb, and I sauteed about a half of an onion, a couple cloves of garlic, mushrooms. Then I sauteed the lamb. I drained a little bit of the fat because ground lamb can be a little bit fatty, but you like the flavor of it. Then I added an organic mushroom soup. This is a specific brand. You can find it at many, many stores. Gluten-free. There's no cruddy oils or anything like that. So if you can find an organic mushroom soup, that's awesome. Seasoned salt, pepper, a little bit more garlic powder. I like to use herbes de Provence. Just adds that nice herbiness. I buy already cleaned green beans. I steam them up real quick. Then I throw them all together. Some shepherd's pie, they do a layer. I like it all together. I boiled about 3 to 4 cups of small Yukon potatoes and just left the skins on there nice and thin, gives extra fiber. Smash them up. I did use a little bit of organic 1% milk and a splash of cream, some Kerrygold butter, and a tablespoon or so of olive oil just for creaminess. I have a baking dish I've sprayed with avocado oil, but I like to put a piece of parchment paper down because I like quick cleanup. Just going to take this concoction of lamb, mushroom soup, mushrooms, onions, all those things I told you about already. Spread it out in the bottom. So you can see it's warm. The potatoes are warm. So all we're going to do is cover this mixture with those smashed potatoes, and then, optional but tasty, add your favorite cheese. So we're just going to spread those out. Remember, this is a rustic dish. It doesn't have to look perfect. Sometimes I don't make a huge amount of potatoes. I feel like this is enough starch in the meal, so just kind of spread it out. It might not cover 100%. Just a quick aside, I've chosen to use ground lamb instead of ground beef. One, because I just don't eat as much beef as I used to with an estrogen-positive breast cancer a couple years ago. It's just wiser. The bigger the animal, the bigger the hormones. We also know that lamb is traditionally raised very healthfully, and so it's just a healthier choice. And it's a nice, yes, it's a little gamey, but if you like lamb, it's a nice change of pace. Last is add a little cheese. Now, if you're have issues with dairy, you can leave it off, and then you would want to cover the pan a little bit longer with foil. But I don't use a lot. Just let it basically cover. It gives that nice bubbly texture and a little extra cheesy flavor. I'm going to pop it in a 375 to 400 degree oven, depending on how much time I have. Bottom line, it's already warm. So I just wanted to get bubbly and let some of those flavors infuse. It's a hearty meal. It's kind of a one-plate wonder meal. Everything is all in here. Add a salad if you like. It's very filling, so don't eat too big of a portion. Okay, Robyn, you get to pass the verdict on if that's tasty or not.
Okay, and I haven't had this before, but I am a lamb lover, so.
I'm going to zoom in at your bite.
Wait a minute.
A little cheesy potato green bean bite.
Ready?
It's gonna be hot, girl.
Let me do it. That is delicious. That's so good. I love that. And it looks so easy to make. Click the link for the recipe if you want that. If you like it, give us a like and subscribe if you want to get notified for any more of our videos.